What's up, Alphas? My name is Starla, and I have been selling jewelry on Etsy for almost 9 years as of June. We've been receiving a lot of questions related to jewelry in my inbox. So we're going to be deep diving into some of the questions that I've been receiving over the next few weeks and help you guys out during this really confusing time of marketing. Everything's kind of crazy right now and nobody really knows what to do. If you're new here, make sure that you check out some of my previous videos. We have a ton of content, plus we go live every Friday to answer your questions. But today we're going to be diving into a question that I received in my personal inbox. And this question is, my biggest challenge is selling my jewelry without a why right now. I haven't put on a piece of jewelry in weeks. No reason to when I'm not seeing anyone, so I think my customers feel the same way, but would love to find a few new angles to give them a reason to buy. I'm currently sewing, donating masks with 100% of my time right now, but will soon be diving back in to get my jewelry out the door. Marketing right now is so important, guys. Etsy is finally starting to see sales for the first time in a long time after the coronavirus first hit. People wanted to hold on to their money. They didn't want to spend a whole lot. They were trying to save just in case of emergency. But now people are kind of adapting to how things are. They're staying home. They're realizing that as long as we're all buying in moderation, the toilet paper isn't all going to disappear. Hopefully. I know some of you are still struggling with that. We might still be struggling with that. But in any case, Etsy is finally starting to see sales again, and most handmade alphas within the handmade alpha community are saying that their sales are finally starting to climb again. So getting your products actually listed and ready to sell is extremely important right now. We are expecting sales to begin increasing, especially the further into our quarantine that we get, because people are going to be bored. They're at home. What are they going to do at home? They're going to sit at their computers and they're going to try to buy products that are going to give them that little dopamine rush, right? Not to mention, they're also going to be buying products for relatives. And when it comes to jewelry, this is huge. Think about how birthdays are never going away. Mother's Day, not going away. Father's Day, not going away. Anniversaries, not going away. There's 4 things all on their own. You know, there are plenty of other weird, obscure holidays that people are still shopping for, but that's 4 holidays and occasions that are a current problem right now. People need to give gifts for these holidays and they can't see their relatives in person. So my suggestion would be to make sure that you're marketing to those people who need to fulfill a need. We are not just selling products, we're selling a solution to a problem. And right now, we all have the same problem, right? And we need to each have our own unique solution to this problem of, you know, the social distancing. So we want to make sure that we market towards the problem and not just the product itself. Think about the things that are important to people right now. Gift giving, feeling good about themselves, self-care. Those are all things that you can use to market jewelry. If I were you, I would definitely start thinking about Mother's Day and make sure that you tighten down your messaging to let your buyers know that you are willing to take that step out of their process of giving the gift. You will package it, you will gift wrap it, and you will ship it directly to the recipient, whether that be mom, whether that be wife. You will make sure that you package that product perfectly so that they don't need to worry about it, right? Okay, I hope that this little tip helped you out. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out some of my latest videos. I've got a ton of really great content and even more coming. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye!